Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? Hope you're all fine. So in today's quick and very simple video, I want to show you how you can generate your bank statement from Palmpay account. So if you're new here for the first time after watching this video and you found it interesting, please make sure you click subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Now before you start, make sure you have an account with Palmpay and also the app being installed on your phone. So after that, come and tap on the app to open. Now when the app opens, it brings you into your Palmpay homepage. Here's my account homepage. And if you look here from the bottom right, you'll see this icon that has me. Tap on it. So if you tap on it, it brings you into this page. Now on this page here, you can see here transaction history. Tap on it and it brings you into your entire history of transaction. You can see all here are my transaction history. So you can see here at the top left all categories. Tap on it and you can choose which category you want. Is it money in or money out? Just leave it on all and confirm. And you can see here all status. You can tap on it and choose whether you want to get the whole bank statement entirely or only successful transfers or pending transfer or processing transfer. But just leave it all categories and leave it. So you can see here on this month icon here, you can see April. Tap on it and choose which month and year you want to get your bank statement. So after that, come here at the top right and tap on this download. Now in this very page here it brings me into the summary of my bank statement, so you can review it and change if necessary. Now you can see here start date and end date. You could just click on this start date and choose which date you want to start to get your bank statement. Now for me, I'll leave it on this 5th of April 2024 as start date. So I'll come here on the end date and tap on it and leave it onto this date. So if I review the whole thing, I'll come here and tap on this continue. So in this page here, they're asking me to provide an email whereby I want my bank statement to be sent to. I could put my own email address or anyone else's email address that I want this bank statement to be sent to. Now for instance, I'll just go ahead and put my own email address. If I'm done putting in my email address, I'll come here and tap on this submit. Now confirm your email address and tap on continue. So do not ask you to put your PIN to confirm your account ownership, and we'll just come here and tap my PIN and it will go automatically. You can see success, right? Your application has been submitted successfully, so my bank statement has been sent to my email address. Now if I close this app here and go to my email address and refresh it, let me keep refreshing it, it will pop up. Okay, so you can see it here, right? So Palmpay now has sent my bank account statement. You can see Palmpay, your account statement from Palmpay. I'll just tap on it. You can see here's my Palmpay account statement. You can see here, dear Palmpay user, the PDF attachment is your account statement from March 5th 2024 to April 5th 2024. Please download to view. So I could just scroll down here and tap on this download here, and I will download the file and view it. So it's done downloading. Now I could just come to my file here. I just come to my WPS here and tap on it. You can see here's the file. I'll tap on it, and right here is my Palmpay account statement. So guys, you can see how simple it is. Maybe in my next video, I'll try and make a video on how to get your bank account statement from OPay and maybe other banks too. Now, if you found this tip helpful and after watching this video, guys, please make sure you click subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.